Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from South Korea. This is a big box from Paldo Food. If you read what it says on the side, you probably can figure it out, but let's crack it open and see what's in there. Wow. So yeah, this is something new. This is the lime lobster flavor big old Paldo bowls from South Korea. And they told me about this and I thought, hey, cool, I'd definitely like to try it. So they sent $16 of them, quite a few bowls. So yeah, I hope they're really good. They probably are. Alright, well, thank you very much. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Wait a second, I've got another box. Yeah, I've got another box. I'm not sure what's in this one. Why don't I crack it open and we can see what's inside. Oh, wow. So, as you could probably guess from looking at the side of the box, this is another box full of noodles. This is their sriracha lobster variety. And of these, they sent $16 more. So I've got a ton of these big bowls. I'm on a diet. Yeah, so I've got some to share. So let me know if you want to work something out. And yeah, all right. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.